Hey guys, it's Rich from RDZ Motorsports. I want to take you around this 2017 Tacoma we just did a bunch of upgrades to. The first thing you can see is the custom grille we did with LED lights flushed in it. That's by DB Customs. Then we did a cold air intake by AFE Power with the optional cold induction tube. Around the side, we've got, we did a color change. We did a matte black on the wheels and a 2.5-inch BDS suspension leveling kit. We got side steps from Weston HDX, brand new this year. We put a custom switch, wire to switch in for the LEDs on the grill. And then on the back, we've got a stainless steel catback exhaust by MBRP Exhaust Systems. Got some custom front and rear bumpers being made for it. And once those come in, the customer will bring the truck back in and we'll install those, and this bad boy will be ready for the off-roading.